Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another DIY video. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, including a mountain bike ride, I'll definitely film that. And when I learn something new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'm definitely going to film a tutorial for the channel. And of course, when I have DIY projects around the house, usually assembling Ikea furniture or something smart home or Tesla related, I'll film those too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to level the doors on your Ikea Billy Bookcase cabinets. This method will apply to almost all Ikea cabinets and most other cabinets as well. So let's get into the leveling. So I have purposely unleveled the doors here so you can see that this door is actually a little bit higher and we have a big gap. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to correct this using a Phillips screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do is open up your cabinet. So on each cabinet door, you're going to have two hinges, one at the top and one at the bottom. You may have to make adjustments to both hinges to get the perfect results. So let's get started. So your hinge is going to have two screws, a set screw and an adjustment screw. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your set screw is loosened off. So you can see we have movement in the hinge now. And then you want to take your adjustment screw and turn it clockwise. And when you turn it clockwise, you'll actually see this hinge moving the door over this way, which is going to take care of our gap. So the set screw and the adjustment screw do work together. So as you can see, I can't turn clockwise anymore. But if I turn the set screw counterclockwise, I can now turn the adjustment screw in some more to fully close the gap. So just by making some adjustments to these two screws, you will be able to line up the doors on your Ikea cabinets perfectly level with zero gap. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.